Good day, Fias. I am Mr. Sesan Adewusi Dantolong, a poet, writer, publisher of different books on the usefulness of honey. Here you meet me again. I am the publisher of Agbára Ìwòsàn, that is healing power of honey. I am the publisher of 50 ways of using honey. 50 ways of using honey. I am the publisher of solution to woman problems. Yes, I release many videos to the market. This is secret of honey. This is healing power of honey. I'm also the publisher of honey as a medicine, and that is my latest book. You see, what I want to tell you is how you can kill your enemies. You can kill your enemies. You know, when enemy want to fight you, not all of them will carry gun. Not all of them will carry cutlass. There are some people, they do kill people with their mouth. When you want to get contract or you want to get appointment in a certain place, there are some people, we call them backsiders. They will come and talk bad of you. They say, you want to give a contract to that man. He's a bad man. He's a useless man. They will say all sorts of things. You know, how can you overcome all these wicked people? Sometimes when something happens to people, they say it is witches and wizards. Some people, they are not witches, they are not wizards, but they are wicked more than witches and wizards. You may be living with them, they may be your neighbor. You see yourself every morning, you greet yourself, but you don't know what is inside them. You can never judge what is inside them. Yes, that is why in our place they said nose is very wicked, because nose will never let you detect bad man. You cannot differentiate between bad man and good man. You see them, you greet yourself, you don't know. Some people, they are bad people. Yes. Where you are selling in marketplace, you see bad people. Even when you enter motor, some people, they don't know you, they be fighting you. This, I want to tell you, I want to give you just small secret how you can kill your enemy. Not when you will kill them with pistol, not you will kill them with cutlass. No. At least they are killing people also, and they are not using cutlass. They are not using certain matches. They are not using pistols, and they are killing people. So I will teach you now. Please always subscribe to this channel. As I'm talking to you now, you will see a red button. There is a right subscribe. Always press it. Anytime I release video, you will see it. If you have been watching me, I've released over 40 videos to this YouTube channel. Always follow me, introduce me to other people, share this thing with friends, let them know more about us. And don't forget to buy my book, buy my video, buy my video. If you buy my book and you buy my video, then you buy my honey. You are putting me in business. You are those of you that are patronizing us. You are the one that make us to remain in business. And God will bless you, bless all your children. He will even bless your job. So, if you want to kill your enemy, you see, this is honey. This is honey. You will pour honey. See, this is honey. Original honey. Don't use sugarcane honey. Yes, I beg you. Don't use sugarcane honey. Don't use sugar honey. Don't use adulterated honey. Use original honey. And the one being sold by Sasadowsi, upon the original. This is salt. This is salt. You take, see, small one like this. Salt. Add it together like this. You mix it together. You will mix it like this. Yes, mix it. Every morning, before you go outside, before you take your breakfast, always mix it with your hand like this and lick it. Just lick it 3 times. When your enemies gather, they want to talk bad of you, they will fight themselves. They will never cooperate against you. It's very sure. If you buy my books, only as a medicine, or you buy 50 ways of using honey, you will see this thing inside. When you lick it every morning, you can prepare it for your children. If you get children that are in the hostels, you can prepare for them. This is not medicine, it is natural. It is natural. If you check Quran chapter 16, verse 68 to 69, God mentioned that only He created bees for the benefit of human beings. If you check Holy Bible, Psalm 34 verse 13, you see what God said about honey there. God said many things about honey. If you see Proverbs, that God said many things about honey there. Yes, it's not medicine. This is not juju. You use it every morning. Your enemies will never get power. Anytime they gather, they want to talk bad of you. They will fight themselves. Try it and give me feedback. I'm selling books. I'm selling honey. Patronize me. Let me remain in business, please. If you want to buy my honey, you come to my office. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Near Sango, Ogun State. I get branches in Lagos. You go to Mushin, number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. My products are there. You see my books, you see my honey there. Number 4, Alokolaro Street. Because we ask for CAF communications there. My products are there. You go to Oshodi, BS Media Services. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop. You will see a petrol station along that Oshodi Agege Motor Road. That petrol station, behind of that petrol station, opposite NEPA, my office is there. We have the agent there. That is BS Media Services. Go there, you see my products there. If you go to Surulere, ask for Hajia Fatimat, number 5C, Akereye Street Extension, Surulere, opposite Powerwood. We get a branch there. You can buy my products there. If you are living in Bariga and Lagos, you can send people there. You can send some people who will go there by yourself. Ask for number 23 Ilaje Road, Bariga. My products are there. Number 22 Ilaje Road, Bariga. My telephone number 0054749455. Or you can use this other line 0099152118. You will see it at the bottom of this video, my phone number and my address. You can see it there. But if you have the right subscribe, please always subscribe to this channel. You will see simple things like this. If you are listeners of a radio stations in Lagos, if you are in Lagos and you are in Yoruba speaking states, you must have heard of me. I used to teach people how to use honey for hypertension. I've taught people before I put this inside books. Yes, if you watch my past video, just click Baba Oloyin Original Television. Immediately you click to it, you see my other videos. You see it. I taught people how to use honey for fibroid. I taught you people how you can use it for ulcer. Check the video. You will see me. You see how I've taught you. I taught people how to use honey. So don't forget, always subscribe. You will see subscribe this the bottom of this video. Press it. It doesn't cost you extra charges for that one. So immediately you press it like this, you are subscribed already. If you have subscribed already, don't worry yourself. But if you have never, because that thing we ask you, you want to cancel, you want to unsubscribe. If you have subscribed to this channel before, you don't need to press that subscribe again. But if you have not, please, I beg you, press that subscribe. immediately you are subscribing to this channel, anytime I get latest news for you, then you will be able to get it. All these things I put inside this book, you don't need to go and buy herbs and this before you do it. It's simple thing. In my past video, I taught people how you can use coconut. Some people, they are collecting salary, but it doesn't stay on their hand. If you watch my past video, I taught you how you can overcome that problem. Yes. So my address again, Babalola bus stop, Yesota. I have mentioned the address of where you can get it in Lagos. Yep. My phone number again, 08054749455. God bless you.